Welcome back to Latin with Mrs. Gearing. So today we're looking at the future perfect active indicative. So your tense is the future perfect. We'll go over what that means in a second. Your voice is active, so you are doing the action rather than having it done to you. And your mood is indicative. If you need a reminder of what any of these terms mean, then click on the link coming up now. So you would translate the future perfect as I will have done something, or you will have done something. The idea is that it's in the future, and by a point in the future, you will have done something that by then will be in the past. So there's both elements of the future and the past. So by next Tuesday, I will have done my work. I will have done it. I haven't done it now, but by the time I get to next Tuesday, that will then be in the past. I will have done it. You form it in Latin by using your perfect stem, so your third principal part, then add on eri, and then your basic person active endings, so mst, must, tis, unt. If you need a reminder of that, click on the link coming up now. Your perfect stem you also used in both your perfect and pluperfect tenses, videos that I have already made videos on that you can go and have a look at. So an example here, portav is your perfect stem of porto, to carry, and then eri and mus. So mus meaning we. So we will have carried. Let's look at the overall table then. So you can see here for all of these, that's not right. That should say will have on all of those. Okay, so I will have carried, I will have warned, I will have ruled, I will have heard, and I will have captured. And so for all of them, you use your third principal part, your perfect stem, so portav, monu, rex, audiv, and kep, and then eri and your person endings, mst, must, is, unt. If you prefer to think about it as adding on erimus, erit, erimus, eritis, erint, that's also fine. That is just how you spot your future perfect active indicative. Okay, let us have a look at some practices then. So you can pause the video here and have a go by yourself, and then play whenever you're ready to go through them with me. So, don't forget you've always got your vocab list on the right-hand side in case you need a reminder of your principal parts for your verbs. If you want a reminder of how your principal parts work, click on the link coming up now. So, portaverimus. Let's have a look. We will have carried. Number 2, rexerit. He, she, or it will have led. As always with your third conjugation, you have some interesting third principal parts. You just need to learn them. Number 3, erimus. We will have written, and you should have an R in there. Erimus. Erint would be they will have stayed. Remember all of these talking about a time in the future when something will have been done in the past. Eris. So habeo should be added into our second conjugation. I have. So habeo, habere, habui. So you, singular, will have had. Eritis, from video, also a second conjugation verb, which for some reason isn't in my vocab list. Video, videre, vidi. So that means you, plural, will have seen. Tulerim is from your irregular verb down at the bottom here. Fero, fere, tuli. So I will have brought. Number 8, audiveritis would be you, plural, will have heard. Audio, audire, audivi. Miserit is from mitto in your third conjugation, and so he, she, or it will have sent. And venerimus would be from venio in your fourth conjugation, venio, venere, veni. Remember that weird stem that's the same in both the present and perfect, and so that would mean we will have come. So there you have your future perfect active indicative. If you've got any questions, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. And if you have any grammar topics that you'd really like me to cover, also do feel free to let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Latin grammar in the future. Thank you.